Welcome to my channel Car Route 360. Today we are talking about Mercedes-AMG is back with a roar. Meet the all-new 2025 AMG CLE 63, a powerful coupe that doesn't just replace the outgoing models, it elevates the entire segment. With a design that merges raw aggression and executive elegance, this beast in red is both a track weapon and a road icon. At the front, it commands attention with that signature Panamericana grille, wide air intakes, and precision LED lighting. Everything screams performance. The long hood and fastback profile flow into an athletic, muscular rear that's pure AMG DNA. Under the hood, a mighty twin-turbocharged V8, delivering brutal power and performance that leaves no room for compromise. Unlike the hybrid setups from before, this one is raw, pure, and unfiltered AMG engineering, built for purists who crave the growl. Step inside and you're greeted with a high-performance cockpit that blends luxury and racing attitude. AMG bucket seats, carbon fiber panels, and a driver-focused MBUX display that's tuned for speed. It's tech-heavy, but nothing distracts from the thrill of driving. With AMG's latest suspension tuning, Formatic Plus all-wheel drive system, and active exhaust, this CLE 63 is meant to dominate highways, twisties, and everything in between. And the best part? It looks absolutely stunning in red, bold, loud, and unmissable. This isn't just the next chapter in AMG, it's a whole new book. At Car Route 360, we bring you closer to these machines before they even hit the streets. Subscribe for more bold beasts like the CLE 63.